Hello everyone, can you solve this very fast using the method of quadratic general formula? Today we want to find the value of s from this given nice math quadratic equation. 3s squared minus 27s plus 12 is equal to 0. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. We have the given equation 3s squared minus 27x plus 12 is equal to 0. If you look at this, you can see that it's divisible by 3. Let us divide the whole of this equation by 3. Then this is 3s squared over 3 minus 27x over 3 plus 12 over 3 is equal to 0. 3 here, 1, 3 here, 1, 3 here, 1, 3 here, 9, 3 here, 1, 3 here, 4. Then we have s squared minus 9x plus 4 is equal to 0. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. Our quadratic general formula is giving us x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, or x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of discriminant over 2, where d is equal to b squared minus 4ac. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 9, and then c is equal to 4. Discriminant d is equal to b squared minus 4ac. Then this is minus 9 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 4. D is equal to minus 9 square. This is 81 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 4. That is 16. D is equal to 81 minus 16. That is 65. Then let us put this into the formula here. S is equal to minus b, that is minus bracket minus 9 plus or minus the square root of discriminant, square root of 65 over then 2. This is 2a multiplied by 1. So x is equal to minus times minus 9. This is 9 plus or minus square root of 65 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. This is 9 plus root 65 over 2, or 9 minus root 65 over 2. Therefore, x1 is equal to 9 plus square root of 65 over 2. This is equal to 8.53 if you use your calculator, or s2 is equal to 9 minus square root of 65 over 2. This is equal to 0.47 if you use your calculator. Now let us solve another one as a bonus. If you have s squared minus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. Let us solve this first using the method of factorization. Then this is x squared minus, you look for two numbers so that the product will be equal to 10 and the sum will be equal to minus 7. This is minus 5 multiplied by minus 2. This is equal to 10. Then with this, minus 5 minus 2, this is equal to minus 7. So here will be minus 5x minus 2s plus 10 is equal to 0. Then we have x bracket s minus 5 minus 2 bracket s minus 5 is equal to 0. Then you can see that s minus 5 is common here. We have s minus 5 bracket x here minus 2 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is s minus 5 is equal to 0, and the second case is s minus 2 is equal to 0. Then from the first case, s is equal to 5. This is the first value of s. And from the second case here, s is equal to 2. This is the second value of s. So you may want to check to confirm if this S1 or S2 is correct. To check, we have the given equation s squared minus 7s plus 10 is equal to 0. Now if s is equal to 5, this is 5 squared minus 7 bracket 5 plus 10 must be equal to 0. Here 5 squared, this is 25, minus 7 times 5, that is 35, plus 10 must be equal to 0. Then 25 plus 10 here, this is 35, minus 35 plus 35 must be equal to 0. 35 minus 35, this is 0, is equal to 0, which is true. Let's see if x is equal to 2. We have x squared minus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. This is 2 square minus 7 bracket 2 plus 10 must be equal to 0. 2 square, this is 4 minus 7 times 2, 14, plus 10 must be equal to 0. Then this is 4 plus 10, that is 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. Therefore, the left hand side 0 is equal to the right hand side 0, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You can see that we solved the two quadratic equations using both the quadratic general formula and factoring method. Bye.